Yeah. Keep your ticket.
I got it. I got it.
Okay. First I need my strap.
Okay.
No, my strap.
Oh, yeah, okay. Buckle yourself in. You need help?
No, I can't do it.
Josh, you need help?
No. Well, we took my buckle.
Wait a minute. They gotta be two. Oh, there we go. That one's yours. That one's yours.
This one's yours.
Yeah.
Can you help me buckle? Look how far I'm making mine. Look how far I'm on.
Oh, good. Okay. All right. Oh, wait a minute. Get your radio in here. Oh, dear. That'd be bad trouble. Okay.
No, you don't put it like that. You put it like that.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay. All right. Okay. Ready?
Ready, set, go.
Okay.
Go. Now I need to pee on this. Make sure we go the right way. Have my ticket to see where I'm going. Have the receipt. Go. Go now. Oh, sorry. Oh, well, I almost stuck. She went.
Oh, my life, guys.
I got my ticket from this. I need to get ticket. The right one.
Buzz.